How to connect the clock to Wi-Fi. Connect the power. Find something to press the right hole for 10 seconds. This is right hole. Okay. If you have pressed the right button for twice or more times within 10 seconds, you have to disconnect the power, reconnect the power, and do it again. We should press until we find your Wi-Fi can find this Wi-Fi. USRC215. This is this clock Wi-Fi. USRC215. Okay. And now we can see this clock only when the green lit. It means you didn't connect this clock Wi-Fi. Look. Now we connect this clock. This is this clock. Okay. Okay, now we connect this clock. Look, when LED green light become 2. When you have this become 2 green light, it means you successfully connect. Okay. Sometimes the phone will show a connected big law. Just ignore or click the no. Next, open your browser. Maybe you use Google. Yeah. Okay, and use your browser. Put 10.100.254. Okay. The name and keyword both either. ADMIN, either ADMIN. Okay. Log in it. Oh, sorry. ADMIN. Okay, when you log in successful, you will find this screen. Okay. Click here. Click the top right corner English to change the language from Chinese to English. It's here. Okay. And then we choose this Wi-Fi setting. Okay. Okay, when you choose this Wi-Fi setting, the first place here, Wi-Fi work mode, and we choose STA mode. Okay. And here, network name, just write your Wi-Fi name. Okay, write Wi-Fi name. Okay, this is my Wi-Fi name. Searching. Okay, find it. And choose OK. And this place, keep AUTO, automatic. And this place, STA password. Write your Wi-Fi keyword. Okay, and this is keep like this. Okay, now we save it. Okay, you can see save successful. And then after this, again restart it. Waiting, just wait a moment. Okay, like we see. And when you see this, like this, it means you all successful connect. Okay. And then, after you connect successful, we will use this browser again. Look, this place, just I connect this Wi-Fi, this CH3393, okay? And now I connect this myself Wi-Fi, and then I use this browser. Look, I use this browser. This function, scan this. I use this browser. Okay. Here have a code. Look, you will find it. Yes, here have a code, and we use this browser scan function, and to scan this code, we will find you will see like this. Okay, now we can see. Now it's we connect successful. You can look when you connect successful, and you can use this time adjust to check. Okay, when you see this single right, it means you connect all successful. Okay.